Excuse me, hi. My name's Kieran.
Aaron.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you look very beautiful.
Busy.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I thought I would have to say hi and introduce myself.
Okay, thank you.
What's your name? I'm from England.
English.
Yeah. And you are a tourist. You're a tourist, you're on holiday, vacation, but you love Bali and you're having a fantastic time. Am I
You
right?
here?
Hmm?
You live here or
My soul. My soul lives here.
other way are you going?
Just for a ride around.
Okay.
But I have a question for you.
Yes.
Would you like to have some smoothies? The most delicious smoothies that Bali has to offer.
Movies.
Smoothies.
You mean watch a movie?
No, smoothie, drink.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, come, I'll take it.
No?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah, delicious.
Okay.
The greatest in all of Bali.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you. You're inviting.
So, how long are you in Bali for?
Oh, almost a month.
Okay. You are a great woman, I can tell. You are a great woman. Very adventurous. I admire that. When someone is adventurous and likes to live life and not be scared and be in a shell, these are the kind of people that I like too.
How long you stay until now?
Only 6 days.
Already 6 days.
Yeah.
Just 6 days.
No. I mean, I will leave in 1 month, but I have been here for 6 days.
Oh.
Yeah. Now, trust me.
Yeah. Oh, no. I also want to this restaurant. 2 days I just searched looking for this restaurant. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
The weather is so hot. How can you wear this? Dominate me properly.
Good God. All right. Looking good. Work it.
Passion.
So being a dominatrix is
Yeah.
a passion.
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah.
Okay. God,
Yeah.
passion.
Yeah.
All right. Does that make relationships difficult? Like, what's that like when you meet a man, you meet a woman, you say, hey, like, I'm a dominatrix?
No. I think, okay, it's difficult in a sense. There are two types of people. People who's interested because, oh my God, like, this is dominatrix. I've never been with dominatrix. I want to try. But, like, I don't want you to try. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to try you as well. Like, I'm not like a trial, you know? But the difficult part is just to decide which one they're really interested in you because of you personally, or just because of they like the idea.
What sort of things do you do to people?
Like because it's more what I do is like performances. So I
Okay.
do impact play, wax play, and then stuff like more on a soft side. I never do any sadomasochism side.
So that's like hitting people. And
Flogging.
you don't do any of that.
Flogging, I do that, like flogging,
Okay.
wax play, and then knife play, sensation play. Yeah, like you pour wax and then you just.
I'm
scrap
scared
it
of you
with
now.
knife.
Totally
It'll be
scared.
fine. It'll be fine.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. So you switch. So sometimes you're the submissive one.
Sometimes I'm the submissive one. Sometimes I'm the dominant one. I think the difficult part is now I realize that I cannot be with someone who's like in the middle, like either you submissive, you know, so I can be dominant, or the other way around. Like if you want to be the dominant, so like dominate me properly. Like,
Dominate. Can you say that again?
dominate me properly.
Good God. All right. I hear
Like
you.
properly, you know, not
Properly.
just like in the middle. Like even in the middle, I feel like my body and my mind is confused because I just had this experience recently. And being a dominant, it's not always about rough sex. It's not. Yeah, I mean, men, women. I don't mind.
You're dating both.
I'm dating both.
Okay. Okay then. Okay.
I'm dating both.
All right.
I'm very open about it. But like dating in Bali, it's not easy to be honest, because people here only for short period of time. So if you're looking for like long last happily ever after, you just need to be more patient and very strict about what you want and what you don't want. But it's still doable. I'm not saying it's not. It's impossible.
Okay, here's the thing.
Yeah,
I get the feeling you might be a bit of a player.
I am a player.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
actually.
you got men twisted around your finger, right?
No. So
So you have women wrapped around your finger.
no.
Everybody is wrapped around your finger.
That is not true. So I was in a 4 years relationship with a beautiful guy. We broke up at the end of the year, like 31st December 2024. And then after that, I was just focusing on myself. So that's why when you asked me what's up, what's going on, I was just like work, focusing on myself, because I think that's what you should do after the breakup. And then I just started dating like a couple months ago, to be honest.
I'm here with Oki. We just met about 2 hours ago. We've had an interesting chat. You'll never guess what this woman does for a living. Or no, for a passion. Not for a living, for a passion. But let's say it involves making people her bitch.